Today, we're going to run through everything traders need to know about S&P 500 futures, ES and MES, and the options on both. We'll hit product structure, liquidity, margin math, and how professionals use these contracts day to day. This all starts with the S&P 500, the benchmark for US equity risk. The ES distills that into a single standardized futures contract. It tracks the S&P 500 at $50 per point and trades nearly 24 hours a day. The MES, the micro, is the same product, same price behavior, but just 1/10 the size at $5 per point. The smaller footprint gives traders precision sizing without sacrificing liquidity. Here are the contract details that matter for risk. ES multiplier, $50 per point. MES multiplier, $5 per point. The tick size on each is 0.25. The tick value is $12.50 for ES and $1.25 for MES. Quarterly expirations, cash settled. 23-hour trading window with the depth concentrated around the US cash hours. Futures are clean. There's no dividends, no deliverables, no corporate actions to worry about, just pure index exposure. ES is the deepest equity index futures market in the world. Tight spreads and a thick order book. Efficient execution at size. That's why asset managers, hedge funds, CTAs, and dealers hedge billions of dollars with it. The micro contract mirrors the same structure. Thinner, yes, but still exceptionally liquid. For traders sizing smaller, MES gives you institutional execution without institutional contract size. Let's talk margin the way real traders do. Assume the S&P 500 is trading at $5,000. A 1% move is 50 points. For ES, at $50 per point, that's a $2,500 swing per contract. Typical margin ranges from $12,000 to $15,000. That 1% move represents about 17 to 21% of your margin requirement. Leverage is powerful, and that cut runs both ways. For MES, the math scales cleanly. $5 per point means $250 swing on that same percentage move. With margins around $1,200 to $1,500, the hit is again roughly 17 to 21%. The lesson is simple. You size the contract to your volatility budget. You don't force ES size when your risk parameters are built for MES. Options on futures are where the toolbox expands. These aren't SPX or SPY options. They settle into futures. That makes them efficient for hedging and for trading around event volatility. Some of the key elements here, underlying is the futures contract. The weekly and quarterly expirations are the most traded. Greeks behave differently versus cash index options. ES options are the deepest market, but MES options have become truly usable. These tools power hedging, gamma scalping, vol term structure trades, and defined risk positioning around catalysts like CPI, non-farm payroll, and the Fed. Professionals lean on ES and MES because they solve real portfolio problems. Hedging equity beta without selling stock. You can manage your overnight risk for Asia and Europe opens. You can trade event-driven volatility. You can express tactical directional views with precision. You can build defined risk structures using futures options. For retail and smaller systemic traders, micros democratize the same workflows. There's a cadence to trading these structurally. First, the context. You want to keep in mind the volatility regime, the catalysts on the calendar, liquidity sessions. You size differently during Asia Open versus the US Open. Secondly, you can choose your structure, outright futures, spreads, or options, depending on whether you're playing direction or event risk or volatility. Third, execution. You can lean on the US cash hours when the depth is thickest. In options, don't chase the implied volatility unless the catalyst justifies the premium. Fourth, the order mechanics. Scale out of entries, work limits, avoid thin spreads, and check delta drift in options as the underlying trades overnight. And fifth, your risk framing. Define the invalidation levels or overnight exposure, gamma behavior, and potential margin changes before entering. And finally, the life cycle management. Options settle into futures. Futures roll quarterly, and margins float with volatility. Professionals track these moving parts relentlessly. Traders of all sizes should steal that workflow. The drivers are the same as the S&P 500 itself, but timing matters. Data releases, Fed expectations, earnings flows, systemic rebalancing, global risk sentiment, especially during overnight sessions. Futures capture the world reaction in real time. Leverage, overnight gaps, volatility regime shifts, options settle into futures, margins expanding during stress. These trip traders up repeatedly. Futures are efficient, but they demand disciplined risk management. The bottom line, ES and MES are foundational tools for managing equity exposure. If you understand these structures, the margin mechanics, the liquidity profile, and the option ecosystem, they become indispensable instruments for trading and hedging in a global financial market.